Are you talented in the art of weaving? Looking for a learning environment to further your skills and techniques? Become part of a rich tradition of cultural expression and explore the history and tikanga associated with weaving. With Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and our Kāwai Raupapa ngā Mahi a te Whare Pora program, you'll have the opportunity to start specialising in a particular area of weaving. Through this program, you'll study the creative process, how to identify artistic variations, manage a project brief, and complete a creative work to a high standard. This full-time 38-week program is offered fees-free and helps you develop the skills to contribute to your whānau, marae, and community. Through a mixture of noho marae, tutorials and wānanga, you'll collaborate and gain experience valued in the arts community and part of an important tradition in Māoridom. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. At Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we have a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. Your success is our success, which is why we ensure you have the wraparound support you need to achieve your goals. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whā mā.